Hi everyone, I'm Neha and welcome back to my channel Chalk and Roll where we learn Excel the easy way. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to join or combine values in Excel. This is super useful when you want to merge first name and last name. Maybe you are in a situation where we have values in multiple cells and we have to combine all those values, or maybe you have to put together any text value. Before we dive in, remember the golden rule. Every formula in Excel starts with an equals to sign. If you see on the screen, we have first name in column B and last name in column C. We want to combine them in column D. You can manually type the names together, but that works only when you have like 5 to 10 row. But what if you have more than 10 rows? Typing it manually won't be a good idea because it is time consuming. Second, there are chances of error. So I will show you three different methods to combine the text. The first method is using the sign and, or we can say ampersand. Okay, with the help of this sign we can combine the first name and the last name. And how do we do that? We will start with equals to sign, then we select cell B4, we will use the and sign, and then we will select cell C4. We'll hit the enter, and that's how we have the first name and the last name in column D4. But there is an error. There is no space to separate the first name and the last name. So to do that, what we will do, we will add a space character between the first name and the last name. So we will again start with equals sign. We will select the first name. We'll add ampersand. We will start the double quote. We'll insert a space value using the space bar from our keyboard, and we will close the double quotes. We'll again add ampersand sign, and then we will select C5. We'll hit enter, and that's how we now have a space between the first name and the last name. Now if I drag this formula, I have the information available in fraction of seconds. The second method that we have is use of text function concat or concatenate. If you are using an older Excel version, you'll have concatenate. In newer version, the function is concat. The formula, so we'll start with text function concat. Okay. Now the golden rule again, to start with formula, we have to type, I'm sorry for that, we have to type equal sign. Then we will type our text function concat. So if you see, I have both the functions available. Okay, but first I will show you concat. Bracket start, we will select the first text, comma, to insert the space, double quotes, space value, double quotes close, comma, and then we will add the C4. Now we have the information available. If we just drag the formula till the end, we have the first name and last name combined with the help of concatenate or concat formula. Concatenate also works in the same manner. The formula is concatenate. If you see, sorry, is equal to concatenate. If you see, it is also asking for text 1 separated by a comma, then text 2, the same syntax we use in the concat. I hope everything is clear till now. The third method is again a text function, but this text function is only available for the user who are using Microsoft 365, and the function is text join. Okay, so we will type is equal to text join. Now the syntax of this formula is different from what we have seen with concatenate and concat. Now it will ask for the delimiter first. What is delimiter? Delimiter is the separator. So if we see here, the separator is space. Now this formula asks us for the separator first. So we'll again open this formula, text join. Delimiter, we need a space. So again, inverted comma start, sorry, double quote start, we'll enter a space value, double quote off, then comma, ignore empty. What does this mean, ignore empty? So it is just saying, if there is no value in any of the cell that we wanted to combine, it will ignore that cell and will not add a space value. So we are saying true. Now comma, first text, let's try combining the last name first here. So first text we have to combine last name C4, comma, we have to combine the second text which is in B4. Now you see Sharma space Arav, and we will drag this till end. Now if you see, if I am removing delete, I am removing Varma, it actually change the output, and also same time did not add any space value. So today we learned 3 easy ways to combine values in Excel. First is the ampersand or and operator. Second is text function, concat or concatenate, whichever is available in your Excel. And third option is text join, which is only available for the users who are using Microsoft 365. Try these out in your own Excel file and see which one you like the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chalk and Rules for more easy Excel tutorials.